What are we making here?
Pecan pie filling.
Same stuff we made at Vegan Thanksgiving? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. So I am over at the Noah Craig household, and I'm having his sister, Kara, sketch me up some artwork for my concept for my t-shirt, and hopefully we can get this into production very soon. Craig, why don't you tell us what you're doing actually here?
I don't know if I can say just yet.
Okay.
But there's a bunch of snacks involved.
We're going to show you some snacks.
These are very good. They're just Cheez-Its. But I had a friend who has been vegan for like a year recently. She tried them. She was like, these are Cheez-Its, Craig. This is all it is. It's just Cheez-Its. These ones are pretty good. They're a little bit spicy if you eat a bunch of them. At first you eat them, you're like, oh, that's not so bad. And then you're like, maybe I should slow down. These ones, these Cheddar Puffs, I also had Earth Balance ones. I think these ones are a little bit more flavorful, and I like the crunch a little bit better with these ones. So I really like those too. Yeah, I like these a lot too.
What is that?
You already know what this is. If you're subscribed to Chris's channel, you already know.
Also, that's the mini version.
Mm-hmm. And then I have these. These are pretty good too.
All right. Do you know those are local? They're Ithaca.
I thought I remember you saying that one time.
Yeah.
So, now I hear you have something for me to try.
Well, yes. That's correct. I have these. They're called Pasokin. I don't know if that's how to say them or not. And they're these peanut things. And I thought they were the things that I had at. I went to a Veg Fest in New York City years ago, probably 6 or 7 years ago. And when I was leaving, I had a booth there. When I was getting ready to leave, somebody from another booth came over and they gave me something very similar to this. And I was like, oh, sure, I'll try it. It didn't look like I wanted to be like, oh my God, I can't wait to try this. But I think within the next few days I tried it and it was amazing. And I think it's called Nut Punch. I just found these at Wegmans and it's like the same thing. And I picked it up and I tagged them in an Instagram post, and then they got back to me and said, oh, hope you like them. And I'm like, yeah, these are awesome. And I asked them about that incident, and it's not them. It's a new company and they taste very similar, but I want Craig to try these. They also have a chocolate one. They come with 2 in a package and they're about $1.19. It's certified vegan, but I really think that you guys, if you see this in the store, pick it up and try it out, and then, thank me.
All right, so it's basically just peanuts, cane sugar, and salt, and cornstarch.
Yep.
It smells like a box.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
That's what it is. They come in 2 in a package, so 2 of those in a package.
Okay. Oh, there's only like 2 in here.
I already ate one.
Oh, you already. Okay. It smells kind of like Captain Crunch.
Be careful because it will fall apart.
That's all right. I'll just wipe the table off. But it smells a lot like Captain Crunch.
Yes.
Like melts in your mouth.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying about falling apart. Isn't it?
Chocolate covered. This would be really good. I feel like I could see this being like the inside of like a candy bar.
It's almost like a softer version of maybe Butterfinger, but...
Mm-hmm. There's little bits of nuts in it.
Yeah, little tiny pieces of crunchies.
Wow. Yeah, this is really good.
And when I say that the other one's chocolate, it's not chocolate covered. It's just like kind of a chocolatey peanut butter thing.
I mean, I guess I should, for science, I should try that too.
Yeah, you definitely should, but sorry, I ate both of them. We're going to make some snowflakes because 'tis the season.
We're gonna try. What are you doing? Oh! I'm so surprised because I've never seen you run in our kitchen before. But Kara had a bunch of silken tofu left over, so I'm gonna make some pudding.
This is the stuff that you don't want to like cook on a skillet and try to eat in a sandwich.
We're just gonna do. Whoa!
Well, half of them went over there. So
all right, so we'll do like a heaping second half.
All right.
All right, here we go. Repulse.
Repulse.
We'll taste test. You know what? What if I will go like this? I don't even need another spoon.
Nope, because that's it. You're done.
Dumb? Is it dumb?
It's good.
It's good. He likes it.
It doesn't really taste like pudding. It tastes more like mousse.
What's the difference?
We're down to the part where we are trying to figure out a sketch for my shirt.
Mm-hmm.
And making snowflakes.
And Craig's making snowflakes.
This is like a tiny snowflake. This is getting hard. I made this one earlier. This one actually came out really well.
It actually did.
I really like how, like the star in the middle. I had no idea what it was going to look like, but I just sort of drew it and it worked. This is a very delicate snowflake too because it's so skinny. Oh, ooh, I like how this one came out. It's kind of similar to the other one. There was like a little star in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, this actually came out pretty well. Wow.
Wow. Being creative with Craig. All right, it is the next day. That means today is Thanksgiving. And I have a lot to cook. I prepped a bunch of stuff last night. I got some sourdough rising. I have some crescent rolls here that I'm gonna be making. I need to make a lot more than that though. I've got my oven preheated to 550 because we are making some sourdough, and I have the tofurkey ham right here. Right guys? Right? Yeah, you guys probably want to eat. And I also have this celebration roast. This is the hazelnut cranberry, and it's coated with like a nice crispy outside. Oh, and I also made a pumpkin pie last night, straight from the Vegan Zombie recipe YouTube video. And it came out super delicious because I tasted a little bit of the batter. Because I'm in a rush, the sourdough didn't come out quite as good as I would like it, but I still bet it tastes delicious. Over here I got a nice sweet potato for the puppies, and I'm preparing this tofurkey ham, which I did last year. And it's looking all nice and smelling good with that thyme and fresh rosemary in there. Hey Ziggy, I made some of those crescent rolls, so we're just waiting for things to happen. We got another sourdough rising, and here I am. Hi, good morning. We have some company. Got some company. It's Lola, Lola Pup, and Annie the Pup.
And me.
There's Swati. Somebody doesn't like to play nice. I forgot to put salt in the dough. It's not gonna taste too good.
Wow. So I'm pretty impressed, Chris.
The recipe's on my channel. Is it good though?
These are amazing.
Nice and fluffy and nice and croissanty. Oh, look at those. You put some vegan butter on it.
They're so good.
That video hardly has any views. You could be making the same crescent rolls as me. I should open a bakery, right? We might just make it in time. I got the last batch of rolls. It just started snowing out here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Vegan Thanksgiving party, and I have 72 rolls and 16 people, so hopefully that's enough. I kind of forgot to put salt in my bread, so I put like a butter coating on it, vegan butter of course, and then put some everything but the bagel on there, so that might actually taste really good. That's what Ziggy does with his little paw. He always bends it like that. And that's what it looks like. But I'm in a hurry, gotta get going, I gotta package everything up, let the dogs out, and get out of here. Okay, so I arrived at my brother's and we have lots of food baking in the kitchen, cooking. So I'll go show you around.
Christopher made
These are
bread.
the rolls we made.
He's got rolls and bread.
The roast
And this
pie.
is
This is the second year where everything's been vegan at Thanksgiving. Only took 30 years, you know. There's Tone. Hey, Tone. There's Wolverine, baby Wolverine. My brother.
kills me. I can't hold him.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, Chris.
Where's
How are
Dad?
you? He's sleeping. I hope he comes over.
Well, he's the star of the show. Katie needs a napkin. Macy stepped in poo.
Does it play or what?
She just gave me the death look. Max is right by the fireplace. Oh, you got a singing dress. Yay!
Hey, Katie, tell everyone on Chris's camera how good Frozen 2 was.
How was Frozen? Give us a recap. How was Frozen?
It was great.
This is Charlotte. Hi. That's my goddaughter.
Want a pickle?
We still got to make our video
Okay.
where I interview you and you tell me some cool things. This is my Uncle Tony.
Oh,
Brian's gonna do a taste
they're warm and they feel nice and soft.
Are they moist?
Oh,
And they're awesome. It's his first Thanksgiving.
he just smiled at me.
We have to get Kraft hummus. We haven't had it yet, so we'll give it a shot. And
Which kind? Wait, what? I didn't see it. It's
lemon garlic. That's what it
okay.
is.
Lemon garlic.
And so I went to school in Ithaca,
Yep.
so I was kind of excited to try this.
What's your degree from the Ithaca?
My degree from the Ithaca is music.
Music theory.
Yeah, music theory.
Cool.
Where'd that get you? I think the bread's fine.
What are you putting on it?
I think the bread's fine. I think the hummus is good. It's definitely, you can taste the lemon,
Yep.
and it's good. I like this. I don't think I've had hummus like this before, but it's good.
I taste salt.
Well, I put some on the top.
It's good.
I think it's good.
Is it?
It's dense, but it's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like the Barstool pizza guy. He does pizza ratings. I'm gonna give it a rating, a bread rating.
They might
From
be
1 to
doing-
10.
Please don't pull her.
They might be
Anything
doing,
above an 8 is good.
they have
I'm gonna give it an 8.6.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Well, when I make my good one, you're gonna give it a
They
10.
model all-
I think the hummus is good.
Yeah. There's tofurkey, 2 tofurkeys. We got the vegan zombie shirt, the vegan zombie brother.
Because I'm a brother. We might not keep our channel.
Why?
Sorry.
You're
With
not
this
gonna
new
do
law. I don't know.
I
I don't know. We might not. So.
think if you do it in a way where you guys are kind of talking and everything with Katie instead of having
But like
Katie.
the thumbnail, it's like anything that appeals. Like they could. It's a bunch of BS YouTube. Because we do this for the parents, we do this for you guys, but we might not keep our channel. Happy belated birthday. How you doing? What's up?
This is a tofurkey ham. Oh, look at that. It's so soft and tender.
Okay, yeah.
And it smells so good.
I just had to take my immune suppressants too. So.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't even know what's over there.
Bye.
All right.
Broccoli and something.
I got a chair for you.
Is that for Katie?
No, this is for me.
Oh.
I'm gonna put corn on top. So that's good. My favorite, everybody likes all the different roasts. I'm a tofurkey guy.
So am I.
I like the tofurkey the best. But I like this. What's this? Cigar?
Oh yeah, the Guardian's really good. I love it. I'm gonna eat some food. Oh, there's Charlotte. That's my god.
Lacey's right there.
Hi.
She's at the table.
There he is. There's.
How you doing?
I know.
Organic,
I can't even try.
friendly milk. Yeah, this is what we're doing.
See, I'm fat, but I can really. A lot of people say it's like organic.
You're making me eat this orange stuff.
There's a new commercial out for ET. It's like a little short film. It's like 5 minutes long. ET comes back and go watch it. I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out. It's my favorite movie, ET. You got some seconds there, didn't you? What are we doing, little girls?
We're being Elsa and Anna, and we're pretending over here is on.
You guys, are those your new outfits?
Look it! This we got.
Oh, you know what this is? This is a calendar with a bunch of vegan chocolate.
Yeah.
It's a chocolatey calendar. And there's your Christmas tree. And there's the hole in the ceiling.
Hi.
Have a good Thanksgiving?
Great time. Family, friends. Good time.
There's a whole new ET commercial.
I didn't know that.
It's like 5 minutes long. ET comes back and Elliot's all grown up and he's got his own family.
It's not cuts from the movie.
No, they redid it. 37 years later.
I just threw out my ET mask.
You did not.
I did.
No, you didn't.
It was ripped and
No.
all gone.
Where'd you? No.
All gone.
Are you serious?
Serious?
Why'd you do that?
Gotta go buy a new one now.
We've had it for 40 years. That's the original. Why'd you throw it away?
$20 at Sears is when I got that.
You don't. Why did you do that? Why did you throw it away? I would have.
It was
It
ripped
doesn't matter. It's an original.
Gone.
He threw away the original ET mask. That's been through our family since I was 6. My dad doesn't want to try this, but he's doing it just for me. It's a piece of the tofurkey ham.
You're too close.
Okay, here we go.
Don't get too close for me.
All right,
This is vegan.
ham.
Where'd Daddy go?
It tastes just like ham.
So what are you afraid of? No, does it really though? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Mom just tried a piece and she really liked it too. All right, well,
It's got a good taste to it.
yeah.
What do you eat?
He tried the ham. He didn't want to try it, but he says it's good.
Not too bad.
Yeah. So, what was your favorite thing to eat tonight? The field roast celebration roast, and you said it tasted like
Kind of like a tofurkey
samosa.
samosas.
Samosa, tofurkey. Happy Thanksgiving to you. It's a vegan Thanksgiving. And Sherry's gonna eat that whole entire plate.
Oh, Brian, last night me and John went live. My challenge to you is play your version, however you want to do it right now. Play No Need to Argue.
I can't do it on this.
Here?
I don't think so.
You can. I think you can.
There's no need to argue anymore.
Stewie, don't.
I gave all I could on my living room. Dance for. I don't know the words.
That was the next
We
one.
did like a punk rock version. We were
Well,
like,
yeah, so-
there's no need to
That's what I'm
argue. Like, I better know those are the right chords. I only know 3 chords on this thing.
There's no need to argue anymore.
Get your coat out of my oatmeal.
Get your coat out of my oatmeal. What's that from? I forgot.
That's when Mom put her coat accidentally in Brian's oatmeal, and then he went and wrote a song because he was mad at her. He's like, "Get your coat out of my oatmeal."
And then it was like there were some bad words.
What?
Get your coat out of my oatmeal. Get your coat out of my oatmeal.
So Josh has dark and then lighter, and Chris has dark and then lighter. What? Twins, Uncle Josh and Chris.
This is crazy.
Why is he Uncle Josh?
Well, that's what they call him, Uncle Josh.
Well, be careful, because he says it's icy out.
I don't think they have one for adults, do they?
No, we can't. It's the kids want it, so the measures.
He got a flyer, so he knows what it is too.
Where's the flyer?
You got it on email.
Oops.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, this is
Anyone leaving, be
candy.
careful.
Yummy, scrummy.
Can you guess which one I am?
Thank God for Christopher. He helps me out.
Did you hear that? My mom just said, "Thank God for me."
Christopher. He helps me out.
All right, guys, it's a wrap. We're at a close to Vegan Thanksgiving 2019. See you later, Pat.
Hey, see ya. Happy Thanksgiving.
See you later, Macy.
Goodbye.
Macy.
Katie, you want to say goodbye to the camera?
Goodbye.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye, Dad.
Take it easy.
Katie needs a napkin.
Katie needs a
2.0.
napkin.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, Mike. Happy birthday.
Bye.
So I guess that's it for this video. Remember, I have these brand new beanies. If you guys want to check one out, link is below. Thumbs up, smash it. Subscribe if you're not already. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.